Yo, what's good YouTube? This is a video, and today I got a new video for you guys. And basically today we're gonna be downloading and installing the plugin check plugin. It's called PCP. And basically what the PCP plugin does, it basically checks for your plugin if you can uh, upload it to the WordPress directory, right? So basically if you want to upload it to a WordPress.org, you can use the plugin check, and you do not need to go to an external link. All you'll need to do is just go into add new plugin, just search for plugin check. If you can't find it, you can just go and search for plugin check in WordPress and just download the zip file and just upload that. All right, so when you're done, you can just go into your plugins and just give it a moment. And as you can see in the mini gallery plugin that I made over the tutorial videos that I went with you guys, as you can see, we can check this plugin if it meets the requirements of the WordPress.org submission. Right, so let's go and check this plugin. Right now I do have my node modules and some git ignore, so you will find some errors. So as you can see, you can select general plugin repository, security, performance, and accessibility. You can just press check it, and it will take just a few seconds, and then it will show you the errors. So for me, there's probably not any errors except for the git files and the node modules files. So I'm just gonna press check it again, and maybe I have these removed already. Yeah, I only have the node modules files, so that should bring up some errors. So whatever errors that you find over here, you should be fixing them in your plugin.zip file when you compress it and then upload it to the WordPress.org. So as you can see, it's just giving me some errors of the node modules and the git ignore. So when I delete those, basically I'm not gonna have these errors, and I'm gonna be able to submit my plugin to WordPress.org. All right. So right now I have submitted. So if you want to go to WordPress submission or plugins, and as you can see, you can just go into plugins and then developers add, and then just log in and upload it, and just make sure to also as well comply with all the guidelines. So I'll make another video on that when I make sure that my plugin is submitted correctly. And I'll see you guys in the next video. This was Andy video, and peace, you guys.